not. It's gonna be size or not. Ooh, he might be. Not. Very short. Alright, well, there's gonna be some bigger ones out there. Ooh. Should we check them or not?
Yeah, you got your measuring thing right there.
Nope. Okay, here we go. Head on home. Ooh, be a nice yellowtail. What do we have? Whoa!
Uh-oh. That's not a good sign.
No, it's not. Not a good sign. Alright.
Scar on one side.
Pretty. Got a big one here. Oh. Oh yeah. Might be a grouper. Oh, big mutton. Oh yeah. Trying to get me in the rocks. Looks like a big mutton. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, looks like it might be a keeper. Oh yeah, nice. It's gonna be close. Golly, I think I might make it though. Let's take a look here. Yep, just barely.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep, nice.
Alright.
That's a grouper. Oh yeah. Oh man, it's a big one too. Oh. I got him up now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a nice grouper. Oh yeah. Holy crap now. Okay.
Nice. Nice good.
Oh yeah, baby!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Get on up in here.
Yeah!
Oh, that's a beauty.
Man, that's beautiful. Man, you picked a spot now. You picked a spot right on that ledge. Wow. Nice. Very nice. Look at the mouth on that thing. Huh? Can I help you? Size of a black.
Wait 1 second, put it up there. Around 24? Yeah, around 24 inches.
Almost measures the length of the black.
Nice.
There we go. Finally, we got our black or our red.
Very nice.
Nice fish.
Awesome.
Right. Alrighty. Yeah, baby. Another big grouper. Oh my God, keep him out of there, Neil. Nice. He's right under that ledge, huh?
Yeah, looks like it.
Let me know when you're close. Oh yeah, another red.
No, it's an eel.
It's an eel, no. Oh no. Let's see, what the...
I think I can get this.
Okay. Ooh boy, ooh boy.
No.
Oh man, look at that mangrove. That's a beauty. Boy, if we can get some more of those. Speedo, huh?
Yep.
I'll be darned. Sweet. Very nice. Oh, it's not a shark.
I don't know, but that's big.
It is. It's big one. I don't think it is a shark. Gosh, I think it might be a big group. Oh, he's coming in. Okay, come on over here in the sandy area. Oh, that's what I want to see. Come on over here. Oh, man.
Careful, your hand's on the line.
Oh man.
I think it's a mutton snapper.
If it is, it's huge.
It is.
Yeah, it is. It's a mutton. It's a big one. Oh my gosh.
It's a nice one.
Oh my gosh.
Come to Papa.
Woo!
Heck yeah.
Oh man. Oh my gosh. Wow. Woo! Wow. Oh my gosh.
Well, it looks like we're gonna have to keep him.
Yeah, he swallowed it. So.
Can you
Oh my gosh.
Well, he's definitely bleeding
Oh
now.
my gosh.
Oh, that's a beauty.
That is a beauty. Oh man. Wow.
There you go.
Oh my gosh. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Wow, that is a big fish.
That's perfect.
Oh my
Woo.
gosh.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that thing. Wow. Beautiful, man.
Nice job.
Beautiful. Okay. This feels like a grouper. I got him in a safe area here. Oh man. coming up off the bottom, so I think we're okay. Let's see what I got here. Can't tell yet. Grouper.
Yep, it's red.
Another red, big red. Oh my God.
Nice.
Wow. Man. Oh, nice. Another keeper red.
He's on fire.
Holy mackerel, man. That's crazy. That is crazy. Let's see, well, he swallowed that one. Good time here. Let's see. And then I got my bait back. It hooked real good. All right. Red number 2. Nice.
Heck yeah. Let's see how long it is.
Yeah. Oh, he's easy. Yep. Alright. He's easy.
Perfect.
Beautiful. And I got my bait. Let's use it again. Box is looking pretty good.
Big fish day.
Wow. Nice one. Yeah.
There. Nice. Going in the box.
Oop, got hit now. Whoa.
Tricky.
Boy. Pretty nice, whatever it is though. Oh, it's like another grouper. No, it's not, it's a nut. Okay. Bring it on in. That's a little
Just a
short.
little short.
Yeah. Not hook bad, so that's good.
Wow, the first small fish we caught here.
Alright. Wow. Yeah, felt good.
Hook's gone. Yeah, right. Digging.
Ah. Oh, gosh. Oh, I got in the rocks. Oh. I got him. Okay.
Dang, that hit like a freight train. I bet you that's a black.
Oh, he's not in there very good. I could feel him sliding in and out of that rock. Pressure on here. Let's see what happens. Gosh, I couldn't get it out of that damn hole.
go in there?
Oh, no, I don't think so, Neil.
Why not? Look at him out.
Turn this up and... Bloody bait, Neil.
Dead weight.
Oh man, I'll bet it's that. More eel. What do you want to bet it? Yep, it is.
Yeah.
Oh. Of course, that weight's half the battle. Yeah, right. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, close. I'll wing them in here. Close.
That's a pretty good one.
You might make it. Oh. Third mutton.
Small one, but he's nice.
Yep. Keeper. All right.
Number 3.
Yeah. Good. Big flats.
Huh? It's shark?
Might not be. Might not be. Oh my God, he's big. It's not a shark. Oh my gosh, what is it?
Maybe another mud snapper.
Oh, it's a big fish. He's up close. What is he? What the heck is he? Kingfish?
Maybe a jack, yellow jack.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's a yellow jack, right?
Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my gosh. Need a bigger net.
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's a big jack.
Wow.
Looks like that ballyhoo's way down there.
I just cut the line, huh?
You
don't
don't
want to
think
keep
so?
him, do we?
I don't want to keep it.
No, okay, let's cut the line and let him go. Let's see. Okay. go. Wow. Oh gosh.
That's 20 pounds probably.
Yeah.
Cool.
Wow. It's huge.
It's got a wonky tail. Look at that. Oh, nice.
let's
All right,
see what
let's
he-
get him out there.
You want to see what he weighs?
No, let's get him out there.
Oh my gosh.
Get it in there.
Okay.
Nice.
Man, that about wore me out. Wow. Okay.
Ooh. Ooh, he's going.
Okay, come on, turn her, baby. There we go. Get my picture yet? Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh man. Look at me around the bottom.
Tree lines over here, so looks like you're on one of them.
Head toward me. Come on, baby. Man.
Oh man, both these lines are in it.
Oh my gosh. That's a nightmare start. Picked it, tighten my belt. There we go.
Oh, that's my weight, I think.
Yeah.
Oh boy, keep him out of there.
There. Get back this way. Oh my gosh.
But once I get over here, I'm just gonna cut that line. Oh, my line's just right there. You keep rolling, keep reeling, keep reeling.
Whatever it is, it's coming up. Oh yeah, oh my God. Huge shark. Oh man.
Alright.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Give me the line.
Coming up there. Is he a bull shark or a nurse shark?
If you give me the line, I can pull it up.
Whoop. There we go.
Oh
Nurse
boy.
shark, I guess. Now my shoulder must be healing up. Ooh, what?
Good, and there's a little small though.
Yeah.
Alright. You can turn it off. Oh! I'm on fire with it. Oh, it wants to bite.
You can shake it anyway. Well, you can shake it anyway. Oh. Well, you can shake it anyway. Oh. Well, you can shake it anyway. Push back, don't push back, don't push back, don't push. That's the limit. Don't push back, don't. No, that's the limit. Don't push back, don't. No, that's the limit. Don't push back, don't. Oh, that's the limit. Don't push back. Don't. Yeah, that's the limit.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Laid out. Let's see, so 3 mud snappers. Nice. 2 red groupers. Mangrove snapper, and then a porgy. Very good. What do you think?
Great day.
Slow in the morning, but crazy good in the middle, so
Yeah,
it's pretty fun.
found
So we just we started to cut this thing open, and we noticed there's something hard in here, and it looks like there's a lobster in the belly. So we're gonna pull this sucker out. Let's see.
I'm sure it's a crab.
Oh, maybe it's a crab. Oh no,
That's
it is a
blue
crab.
Wow, I'll be darned. Huh. What else do we have in there? Another blue crab. Well, yeah, 2 of them. Look at that.
There's more in there.
Now what do we have?
A grunt,
Grunt.
ready to be eaten.
Huh.
That's it. All right, there's crabs.
Wow, how about that?
What a belly
Crazy.
full.
Yeah, I'm surprised